at the face components of a Speed Queen ST0300 DRG dryer. We have the rim gasket, that's this one here, and the door glass, door handle, the glass gasket, control trim for the left side, the control trim for the right. I have the control decal in the center, and then the control plastic trim piece here. We have the computer overlays, the upper lint drawer decal, the lint lock, complete lint drawer in case you break the ring out here. We have the control lock and key, the vault trim, the kick plates, you have to drill out the rivets to get these off, and the lower lint drawer.